Oppo will unveil its new phone. What's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. The Oppo A5 Pro has a 6.67 mm thickness and weight is 186 grams, making it an ideal choice for today's generation. Oppo A5 Pro comes with an AMOLED touchscreen display. The screen measures 6.7 inches, supports Full HD Plus resolution that can easily create the 80 plus resolution of 1080 by 2412 pixels. A 2.5 GHz octa-core processor powers. Oppo A5 Pro is fitted with 8 and 12 GB of RAM. Storage has also two options, 256 GB and 512 GB. Also there will be an option of the dedicated memory card slot. The dual camera system that the Oppo A5 Pro consists of 50 megapixel main camera and a 2 megapixel secondary lens. And at the front there will be a 16 megapixel front camera. The phone may offer IP69 level dust and water resistance. The battery will be 5840 mAh. That's all for now and thanks for watching.